Hey guys, we've been learning about the different parts of speech. The first part of speech that we're going to be learning about is nouns. Noun is a person, place, or thing. There are different types of nouns. 4 types that I want you to know. The first kind is a common noun. It's just a generic name for a person, place, or thing. For example, that would be like a baby, school, boy, girl, house. Okay, they're really generic. Then there's proper noun, okay? And that's more of a particular name for a person, place, or thing. So instead of baby, I could say Ezra. Instead of school, I could say Benton Elementary. Instead of boy, I could say Asen. Okay, so those are your proper nouns. Those are nouns that need to be capitalized. Another type of noun is a pronoun. It's another type of parts of speech. Whether you know this or not, you've been studying pronouns whenever we're looking at first or third person point of view. So a pronoun is a word that can function by itself as a noun. So instead of saying someone's name, you could say he, she, it, they, me, I, them. Okay, those are all pronouns. They're words that take the place of a noun. So if you know what nouns are, then you know what pronouns are. So those are 2 parts of speech out of 8 that you already know. And the last kind is plural noun. Well, we've talked about plural nouns and how there's more than one. So instead of baby, it would be babies. Instead of school, it'd be schools. Instead of boy, it would be boys. So it's just more than one. It's a plural noun. So we're going to go through a couple of these task cards and see if we can figure out what type of noun it is. So Carla folded the shirts and put them away. Would this be a common noun, a pronoun, a proper noun, or a plural noun? For me, I see that this is a common noun. However, there's more than one. I know that more than one means plural. So I would say D, plural noun. Let's see if you can do these on your board and get them correct. Okay, so make sure you have your board in front of you. The next one. My mom and dad went on a trip to France last summer. France is your noun because it's a person, place, or thing. Is it A, a common noun? Is it B, a pronoun? Is it C, a proper noun? Or is it D, a plural noun? For me, this has a capital letter. So that tells me that it is a C, proper noun. If you said C, pat on the back. Let's see if you can get a couple more right by yourself. We always go to the park on Sunday afternoons. So our noun that we are analyzing is the word park because it's a person, place, or thing. But is it A, common noun, B, pronoun, C, proper noun, or D, plural noun? If you said A, a common noun, you're correct. Park is just a common noun. It's a generic name. Now, if you said Benton Park, which would be capitalized, you know it would be a proper noun. So common noun and proper noun are kind of the opposite of each other. They're antonyms. All right, last example. Erase your board. I asked the new girl if she wanted to play with us. Is this A, a common noun, B, a pronoun, C, a proper noun, or D, a plural noun? I'm going to give you guys a hint. This is one of those words that we look at to decide if it's first person or third person point of view. If you said B, pronoun, because it took the place of a noun, you're correct. Instead of saying, I asked the new girl if she wanted to play with Cameron and me. Instead of saying Cameron and me, I said us. Therefore, it's a pronoun because it took the place of the words Cameron and me. Great job, guys. We're going to continue to look at these and answer these exact same task cards during morning meetings. I can't wait to learn more about nouns. Hope you guys have a great afternoon.